Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is my milestone 2 update and also my week 3 application deployment. Um, I would like to start off by saying that, telling you a little bit about me and Mr. Madamo's position. I had problems the first week of finding an API that would give me my locations of my local sports teams and then get the events off that local sports team. Couldn't find an API for that, so we decided to go with a little bit different route where I'd use the Google Places API and the Google Google Geo API. Sorry about that, and use that. And instead of coming up with just sports teams, just come up with some sporting places. Use these to get the information um, into my app location, and we'll go from there. So he extended my project due dates from the Thursdays. Now my project is due. My first part of my project is due this Sunday, and the second part's due the following Sunday. My completion. So I've been trying to cram a lot of coding into this short amount of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, run through a little bit of my application here on the simulator, uh, just to show you what I have got done. Give 1 second here, just letting the simulator load up. Excuse me. And while that is loading, I actually go through there. Well, I wasn't go through some code. I was gonna show you this code that's sitting here behind is off my map. I've already got the points setting and the polyline drawn from the sporting place to your current location. Done that. Got that already set up real good. That was a big part of my project, was working with the map. But as you can see, we're on the opening page, a splash page, what you would call, of my application, and it just gives you a brief description telling you have to use GPS and to have fun at your event. So put my location on as Apple. So these locations it's going to give us are actually of places around Apple in California. So I'm going to go ahead and hit go. And there we go. We have a list of all the sporting places. And actually, since I'm getting from Google, I pulled in the icon for what type of establishment it is. These are stadiums. These are shopping. These are just places. But yeah, and if you pick one, we'll do the Stanford Maples Pavilion. And see, we go to our detail page, which gives us more of telling us what it is. Milestone 2, I will break this open and just have the address here, the state here, and we'll try to do a little something else to make it more stylish, in the week 2. But if you hit the map button, see, it gives us the point where we're at. And that's another thing in milestone 2 I'll be trying to accomplish is zooming this where it will zoom correctly, where you can see both places where you start at. And also I'm going to try to implement over here, I'm going to make the map frame over here, and then right here I'm going to try to give directions, text based. But as you can see, this does give you the good map based directions to the event that you're going to. Also puts place marker and gives the address of the place. And we'll go back here. I do have where you can take a picture of the app, and you can't do it on the simulator, obviously, because the simulator does not have uh, a camera on it, so I shouldn't even done that because it's gonna throw an error in my video. Um, but set my location here one more time. We'll go to the SAP Center just to change it up. Instead of hitting photo, this time I'm gonna hit the Twitter button. And when we hit the Twitter button, it gave. You see, I have no Twitter account set up, but on my device, I have my Twitter account. And it just gives you the option to go ahead and tweet about this place, the application, and also put up a photo that is saved in your camera roll. So, but this is Brian Stacks for my week 3 video. Thank you.